How long does it really take me to set up the travel trailer for living after I've been driving around for a bit? Let's find out today. Timer starts now. First things first, we gotta get the truck detached from the trailer. 2 hooks, remove, unplug. This stupid thing, your pin that's way too difficult to remove for no particular reason. Foot is in contact with the ground. Time for some wheel chocks. Ain't going nowhere. It's a bit mucky-ucky on this side. Yeah. All the practice you have spanking children. Give it the old spinny spinny. Freedom. Come here. We're gonna wanna get the door accessible. It's really hot. Shoes off every single time. What do I gotta tell you? Oh God, how did it get all twisted? And with that, our setup is complete. We're looking at a total time of 22 minutes and 37 seconds for this here setup, and it wasn't too shabby.